Hello everyone, welcome to my channels. So today we are going to simplify these expressions. This is the expression is given to you. This type of questions is very important for any kind of competitive exams. This is coming in different competitive exam. I have taken this example from one of the competitive exams and I am going to solve it in front of you. Alright, so this is the expression which is given to you. They are asked to find the value of x. They are asked to find the value of x. We are going to find out the value of x from this expression. So in order to solve this type of expressions, we have to use the laws of exponents, right? The first laws of exponents, I'm going to use it here. Let's have a look. This expression we can write 5 raised to the power x and 5 raised to the power minus 1. If we multiply these two, you will get the same thing. Here also same, 5 raised to the power x multiply with 5 raised to the power minus 2. Plus this one I'm going to express 5 raised to the power x into 5 raised to the power minus 3, which is equal to 155, right? Alright. Now further I can simplify in such a way that shall take the common 5 raised to the power x. 5 raised to the power x I'll take common. So what is left out here? 5 raised to the power minus 1 plus here 5 raised to the power minus 2 plus here 5 raised to the power minus 3, that is equal to 155. Is it clear? All right. Okay. Then shall we proceed? Yes, we can. 5 raised to the power x. Now again we are going to apply the laws of exponents. If we take the reciprocals, it will become positive. So 1 by 5 now plus 1 by 5 square, it will become positive. 5 square means that will give you 25, right? Now if we take the reciprocals, it will become positive, that is 5 raised to the power 3, that will be 125, alright, is equal to 155. Further we can simplify. Let's have a look. We can take the LCM 125. So that will give you 25 plus 5 plus 1. I hope you know the LCM how to do. So I'm not going to elaborate it, otherwise the video will be very lengthy. So now further we can do, we add up here, so it will give you 25 plus 31. 31 divided by 125 is equal to 155. So if we take these fractions to the other side, it will give like that. 155, this 31 will come here and 121 will be multiplied. Then numerator will go denominator and the denominator will become numerator. Now if I cancel it, you will get 5, right? Alright. Further we can do 5 into 1 to 5, we can write 5 to the power 3, right? Now again we are going to apply the exponents. If the base are same, in case of multiply we can add up their power. Here 4 3 plus 1 4, 5 raised to the power 4. Now if I compare the two equations, 5 the bases are same, there we can equate their power. Therefore x will be equal to 4, and this is the final answer for these expressions.